The official Claude Code repository just dropped, and it is packed with plugins, automation tools, and hidden features that most developers have no idea exist.
Let us break it all down. Claude Code ships with 14 official plugins covering everything from code review to security scanning. These are not basic extensions. Each one is a full workflow with custom agents, hooks, and slash commands. The plugin system uses a clean architecture, a plugin JSON manifest, plus organized directories for commands, agents, skills, and hooks. The Ralph Wiggum plugin is wild. Named after the Simpsons character, it creates self-referencing loops where Claude works autonomously, tries to exit, gets blocked by a stop hook, and keeps iterating. Teams have used it to build entire projects overnight. One Y Combinator hackathon team shipped 6 repos using RAF loops, and a developer landed a $50,000 contract for just $297 in API costs. The Feature Dev plugin enforces a structured 7-phase development process: discovery, exploration, questions, architecture design, implementation, quality review, and completion. It launches parallel Code Explorer agents to analyze similar features in your codebase, then generates 2 or 3 architecture approaches for you to choose from. This prevents the classic AI problem of jumping straight into bad code. The Code Review plugin runs 4 parallel Sonnet agents on every pull request. Each agent checks different things: CLODE.MD compliance, obvious bugs, and Git blame history. There is also a pre-review toolkit with 6 specialized agents, including a silent failure hunter and a type design analyzer that rates your types on a scale of 1 to 10. All findings use confidence scoring with an 80+ threshold to filter out false positives. The Security Guidance plugin monitors every file edit for 9 common vulnerability patterns. It catches command injection in GitHub Actions, dangerous eval and exec calls, SQL injection, XSS, pickle deserialization, hard-coded credentials, and more. Each detection comes with detailed remediation guidance. Combined with the strict settings preset, teams can completely lock down Claude Code for enterprise use. Hookify lets you create custom automation rules by just describing what you want. Say, block dangerous RM commands, and it auto-generates a validation hook with regex patterns. It supports multiple event types, bash commands, file edits, session stops, and prompts. You can list, configure, and toggle rules without touching JSON. The hook system is what powers the Ralph Wiggum loops and the security scanner. The Frontend design plugin auto-triggers when building UI. Instead of generic AI aesthetics, it commits to bold design directions: brutalist, maximalist, retrofuturistic, Art Deco. It enforces distinctive typography instead of defaulting to Arial or Enter, builds cohesive color palettes, and adds motion design and spatial composition. The goal is production-grade interfaces that actually look designed, not generated. The Commit Commands plugin gives you one-command workflows: branch creation, commit, push, and PR all at once. The repo itself uses custom slash commands for issue triage and duplicate detection. The dedupe command launches 5 parallel agents to search for duplicate issues, and the lifecycle system auto-closes stale issues after configurable timeouts. All of this runs through GitHub Actions with proper safety wrappers. That is the full Claude Code plugin ecosystem. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI developer tools.